Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the instance that contains the image you want to change. Once selected, decide if you need a unique override. Detach the instance to edit without affecting the main component. Detaching converts it to regular frames and layers, so make sure you intend to break master linking. If you don't want to detach, use overrides instead. However, detaching gives full control over nested layers and makes replacing complex raster layers simpler and more precise. Once the layer is editable, open the right side fill section and click the image thumbnail to replace it. You can drag a new file onto the canvas, use uploads and assets, or choose replace image from the menu. Make sure to adjust the image mode, fit, fill, crop, to preserve aspect ratio and layout constraints. Also check constraints and auto layout settings so the new image scales predictably. Otherwise, you'll need to tweak masks and frames to restore the intended appearance. To finish, consider whether the change should be global. If so, edit the main component and watch instances update automatically. Once done, use reset all changes on any instance that got unwanted overrides to restore consistency. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by checking masks and layer order, then verify auto layout padding and constraints. These are the usual causes of misalignment. If the image looks cropped unexpectedly, inspect the mask frame and the image fill mode, then correct crop or swap again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.